set, and here are the numbers.
Well, while Ateneo having lesser attack points with 10 and Far Eastern University having 15, doon naman nagkatalo sa errors because just too many freebies given by FEU to Ateneo. So, biro mo 12 errors yan as against Ateneo's only 5.
That's a big
Just too much. And the Ateneo even having 3 bonus points at the serve. So na-compensate more than compensating the less attack points of Ateneo.
So FU's got to minimize their errors if they want to win this second set. Then, but you know, Irish Petrona again starting where she left off. C with a good serve. There.
Ivy wanted to go for a power tip. Not enough height on the ball.
You know, yun ang laban ng mga, for me, the guest players They have to rebuild their confidence diba? Parang, of course, being out of the competitive
but at least the ones
level.
here in FEU, no? Yung, kasi hindi naman, although they play outside, hindi yung gantong level that to be put in here. Oh, and off speed gets the point for the Ateneans.
But you know, once they get their that confidence, you know what I'm saying, diba? Parang, I'm sure, like Ivy.
Kasi ang dami mo na rin past experiences sa volleyball that, you know, you just have to get them again, you get in contact with them once again, plus yung i-coordinate mo dun sa body mo.
Yeah, that's right. You got a good point. And if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be shaky. Eulalio now serving for FEU. Good save.
Yep. Oh, but an overreaching violation called against Ateneo. Magre-reklamo pala si Coach Shaq dun may tinawag na violation against Ateneo. So okay na, pinabayaan na niya. Napasmile na lang siya.
Takot nila kay Coach Shaq.
Oo Pagtayo pa lang Oh, that's going to be a long one for Eulalio.
Oh, we are tied at 3 apiece. So far, both teams feeling or weighing each other out. C.
Oh, free ball na. Ayun na naman, yung freebie na yan.
Good block there. Oh, good dig by C.
Oh, sayang naman yun. C getting to that one. Ang lakas nun, but C was there. The one for the second ball.
That's right. That was a very...
Ang ganda pa nun because it was cross-court. Ang hirap kunin. But Giselle C managed to. Wala na lang sumunod.
Yeah, no support. Palma. Herbacio. Valdez.
Oh,
still alive.
Great save. Tabaquero on that dig. Thrown right into the net. Ito naman is sustainability. Yan ang magiging question. Pero so far, it's just really, Patrona has been very stable for FEU. Kung
that's right.
compare mo siya sa lahat. This time, blocked. So, the others have to step up. Pag ganyan na yung nakikita mo, dapat yung distribution mapunta na rin sa iba.
And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. No, you got a point there, no? They really... Giselle C's got to get the others involved. You can't keep going just to Patrona because, you know, you have to get everybody's contribution.
Again, the learning, di ba, na we mentioned in the pre-game for Giselle C.
That's right.
Paano ba nga gagawin niya? Anong halo ba? Because just that factor na, wait, veteran na to di ba? Plus Petrona was really playing well in the first set. So, siguro sa kanya, sige, dito mo yan. Sure ball.
Siya yung hot I can't blame her.
Yep.
As Valdez with that kill off the blockers. 7 serving for Herbacio. see. The Vaquero. Dug up.
Jose Ferrer on the double. Again, success.
That's right, but a good save by Gretchen Ho. And Ateneo finds himself ahead 8-4. Don't go away.